Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a spreadsheet in Excel. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel. Here, I'll show you two easy ways to create a spreadsheet. For the first method, go to the Insert tab and click on Table. Now, select the range of rows and columns you want to include in your spreadsheet by clicking and dragging your mouse. After selecting the range, click OK. Excel will create a table for you, and you'll see the Table Design tab appear at the top of the screen. From here, you can choose different table styles and formatting options. Feel free to select any style that matches your needs. Once your table is ready, start entering your data into the cells. Now, let's look at another easy method. Select the rows and columns where you want to create your spreadsheet. Next, click on the arrow next to the Borders button in the Home tab. From the drop-down menu, select All Borders. This will add borders to all the selected cells, creating a spreadsheet layout. You can then enter your data and adjust the rows, columns, and formatting as needed. And now you are able to create your own spreadsheet in MS Excel. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.